Wait, there's a language in Africa where you literally communicate by clicking your tongue and it has more sounds than any other language on earth. I'm talking about Xhosa, spoken in South Africa. These click consonants actually mimic animal sounds, which is how the language originally developed. The crazy part? Most people outside of Africa have literally never heard these sounds before because they don't exist in like 90% of world languages. So when Xhosa speakers talk, it actually sounds like they're having a conversation with nature itself. Your brain probably can't even process what you're hearing if you've never been exposed to it. Pretty wild, right? Drop a like if you want to learn more crazy language facts and subscribe for more mind-bending discoveries that'll make you see the world differently.